Hello everyone, I am Kashish Mehra and welcome to my channel SSD Educational Classes. Today's our topic is attitude scale and its type. First of all, we should know what is attitude scale. An attitude scale or questionnaire will present the individual with the number of statements to which he or she has to respond, and from these responses the investigator will arrive at some conclusion about the attitude of that individual. It means we have to show or we have to present the questionnaire in front of the individual, and from its responses we will come to know about the attitude of individual person. These techniques include attitude survey, psychological and behavior observation measurements. First of all, we have to understand about attitude survey. What is attitude survey? This is the most commonly used technique for measuring attitude. Through attitude survey, we can understand how person is responding. In an attitude survey, the investigator provides a questionnaire or asks a series of questions on a telephone. There can be another mode also. A respondent shows his or her attitude by answering a series of questions. These questions may be open or close-ended. If we are asking any person to respond, he is allowed to provide answers in his own word. It is known as open-ended questionnaire, and if limited questions or limited response is given, it is known as close-ended questionnaire. What is rating scale? Another kind of survey item is a rating scale. In a rating scale, the respondent indicate the extent to which they agree or disagree. Through rating scale, we can measure how he is agreed with the statement or he is not agreed with the statement. There are different types of rating scale. For example, Thunderstone, Likert scale, and other many rating scales are available. First, Thurstone scale. Thurstone scale is credited with having the first credit the attitude measurement methodology. He is considered to be the father of attitude scaling. He has developed one of the earliest methods for measuring the attitude toward religion. It is made up of statement about a particular issue, and each statement has a numerical value indicating how favorable or unfavorable it is judged to be. In Thunderstone scale, there are different types in which we are rating from 1 to 5 range. Some examples, for example, each item scale values from 1 to 5 is given in the parameter and the respondent has to know the values. A person with a terminal illness has the right to decide to die. Is this the right answer, or we can scale according to it? If there is a scale of 4.15, we can say that how illness has a right to die. Is this clear? Including death for merciful reason is wrong. If we are giving scale 1.65, it should be shown in the scale from 1 to 5. So we are giving it 1.65 scale. A person should not be kept alive by machine, 2.44. It means that it is in the middle of the scale, nor to the range of 1, nor to the range of 5. There are many other examples, like the taking of human life is wrong no matter what the circumstances. The rating scale is 1.36. It means many persons disagree with it. People check each of the statement to which they agree, and a means is score computed, indicating their attitude. It means through the scale we can understand the attitude of the person. As the developer of the scale need to make sure that a wide range of responsible or possible views is expressed in the statement used. The Thurstone scale are quite complex and time consuming. Because it is time consuming, because we have to know each and every statement by agree or disagree. It is less appropriate also. Thus, there are many drawbacks because it is time consuming and expensive method to produce. Next is Likert scale. It is developed in 1932. It is proposed a technique in which it makes his process simpler by allowing the participant to make a range possible response, usually in the form of 5-point scale, ranging from strongly, agree, disagree, undecided to agree, and strongly disagree. There are 5 scales. With this method, there is no requirement for the judgment to categorize each statement as the category is built into the scale. assigning the score from 1 to 5, each respondents can score it from the 1 to 5. We can make the scale from 1 to 5 and respondent has to give the answer according to it. Here is people who commit murder should be hanged. We have option strongly agree, neither agree nor disagree, agree or strongly agree. It means we have given option in the 5 scale meter and any respondent has to respond according to it. Next is Guttman scales. Louis Guttman developed a scale much like Likert and Thurstone, but he replaced extreme stress on the instrument measuring only single straight. He has given stress to measure the scale on single straight, or it should be said at one-dimensional scale. Those who agree with the more item, it was preceded that if one person is agreed with one response, it will also agree with another response also. A positive response to one means positive response to each of the item prior to it. The sum of affirmative response represent the subject level of the attribute under study. The attitude construction is more narrow, focused on this scale than the other scales method. Here is an example. The following is an example of Guttman scale measuring the discriminative attitude. Would you marry a refugee? Would you accept a refugee as a close friend? Would you find refugee like your neighborhood acceptable? These questions are depending similar to each other. If you are saying yes to one question, it will be positive or yes to other questions also. Next is Bogardus social distance scale. This was developed by Bogardus as a means of measuring racial or ethnic prejudice. A prejudice being seen as an extreme form of attitude. The respondent is given a series of statements concerning the possible relationship and he is asked to say to what extent he would accept the relationship. It means there are so many statements, possible statements should be given and one has to tick on the relationship. The respondent would be asked to tick those relationships they would find acceptable. And overall the scale provide a measurement of racial prejudice. For example, a close relative by marriage, that is 1. We have given social distance to 1 point. As may close personal friend to 2 point. It means the close relation, the social distance we are seeing in it. In 1 point there is social distance. A score of 1 is for a group indicated no social distance. In 1 point there is no social distance. In 7 point there is close distance. So it is dependent upon the social distances. Semantic differential scale. Osgood Taylor al. suggested that people evaluate attitude along 3 dimensions. He said that people's attitude depends upon the 3 dimensions, that is evaluation, potency and activity. To measure each of these 3 dimensions, they developed the semantic differential, a scale consisting of numbers of different dimensions against which the attitude object could be evaluated. For example, if there is a pleasant, it will be unpleasant. Means we have to choose the one, pleasant or unpleasant, strong or weak, fast or slow, active or passive, hard or soft, good or bad. We have to choose one of them. Psychological measurement. The emotional relation are reflected by psychological reaction, which is known as skin response, pulse rate. There are also attributes we can see from it. Therefore, it makes us sense to look at the psychological reaction also. There is theory that is Galvin's skin response. The most important object of indicating of attitude has been seen in Galvin's skin response, which we say that GSR. GSR measure the electrical resistance of the skin, which changes when people are emotionally accused. It means the people when are emotionally accused or in emotion, they change their skins, they change their habit, they change their facial expressions. It means psychological measurement can be done through it. As the main problem with the psychological indicators of attitude like the GSR is that these measures assess the intensity of the emotion response but not their direction. We can't see the directions. We can only measure the response of emotions. Next is facial electromyogram. This facial electromagnetic is known as EMG, is an objective attitude indicator which can be used to measure the quantity or direction of attitude. It means if we can see quality and direction. We can see both. We can see quality as well as directions of the attitude. The facial EMG make it possible to detect the difference between the positive and negative attitude. When people hear a message with they agree rather than disagree, there is a relative increase in the EMG activity. It means we can see their muscles change or we can see their facial change. Through their facial expression, we can examine their attitude. The psychological measurement of attitudes are not very often used in the practice. One reason may be the above mentioned insensitivity of most of the instrument. So this measurement or this scale is not proper because every person have different facial expression which cannot express clearly. Behavior measurement. This method derive attitude measure from the open observed behavior pattern. In most of the behavior observation, the subject know that they are being observed. When we observe someone, we know that someone is observing us, we change our behavior, and when we does not say or tell anybody about the observation, they behave differently. However, in non-reactive measurement, the subject are observed without the knowledge of. It means in this method, without the knowledge of respondent, we measure or observe the respondent and we measure it and scale on the. These types of attitude are called behavioral indicator, observation techniques and unobserved measures. For example, in early study, the investigator must the voting references by telling the numbers of bumper stickers for a particular candidate on the car in parking lot. So through this way, we know that how is the behavior. These are the attitude scales that we can be measured. Hope you have understand. If there is any doubt, you can post your comment in my comment box. Thank you.